Hi everyone, today I'm doing clock nails. So you see I've acrylic them with my pink EEE already, 2 halfway and 3 full. So I'm buffing the shine off of this nail first, and then I'm going to base coat it. You see that I sketched it out a bit. I'm going to cure it after I base coat it, and now I'm just going around doing the clock base with a white. So I'm just going around the edges and then I'll just fill in the middle. So this is how it looks so far. So now I'm going around the edges with black, with my black liner gel. And then I do the inside as well, like so. That's how it looks. So now I'm drawing in the Roman numeral numbers. So this one's going to be 12, and then at the bottom I'm doing 6. So I'm just taking my time. Here I'm doing a part of 7 at that corner, and this is number 1 at that side. So I top coat it. I'm not going to cure it yet, and now I'm just placing my nail ornaments on the nail. I'm going to place them anywhere I want to place them, and then when I've put them where I feel like I want to put them, this is the hand right there. Just going to fix it in place, and then I'm going to dry them and cure them under the UV lamp. So I'm doing the same thing on this finger. I base coat it, and now I'm putting the white, drawing around the lining with black, putting in the numbers of the clock, Roman numeral numbers. This is how it looks. I'm doing number 1 on that side, and now I'm adding in the clock parts, and then I'm gonna cure it after. So now I'm putting crystal clear acrylic over both of the nails, the 2 nails. This is how they look. I buffed them and filed them, and this is how they look so far. So now I'm putting clear builder gel around the edges. I'm putting some gold circles around the edges, like so. So on the other 3 nails I'm going to do like a simple French design. I'm going to cure it, top coat and cure it again, and this is the end results, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment, like, share, follow or subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.